It's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and if you've been following along with this geometric shape that we just got through doing for that right there, after I turned it black, I started thinking there's other things you could do with it and make a border out of it. And I'm not 100% sure I'm happy with this, but it looks kind of cool, and I'm going to use it for an example so I won't forget how to do it. So we're going to take our Smart Fill tool and set it on black, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go all the way down this way. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So I won't mess up. I'm going to go this way. And you could change this quite a bit. Now let's take our grid out of the way. I'll just delete it for right now. And pretty important to take this and weld it together. It'll get rid of your lines between that. And what those two trailing edges are is so you can connect them together, and then you can make your shape any size you want. This is huge, but Control D and make a duplicate and then mirror it, and then just cursor down and make it whatever size you want. Don't worry about you losing that. And then let's Control D and mirror them this way and cursor them over. And then you could make this whatever size you wanted on your total shape. This is going to be huge because I'm doing it for the video, so it's 38 by 25. And then just take your rectangle tool and kind of go to node and then down. Node to node and over. Node to node and over. Node to node, and I missed that one. Let's go up top, and you could zoom in and probably do it better. And then just take your Smart Fill tool and fill in these sections. And then I would definitely left click no outline and weld them together. And then it's all one piece. That's pretty cool. And then also you could turn the one we made earlier to a 45-degree angle and put it in the center if that's what you want to do. And you can make this any size you wanted. You could scale it. And because we're working the center of the page, just hit page P for center of the page. That's a pretty cool design and pretty easy. If you needed to make a border, and you could also, go around here and make an outside border of a solid line. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure I like this, but if not, I'll change it. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.